This is the native blue tongue. It's not a lizard, it's a flowering plant, Melastoma affine. It gets its name because of the fruit. If you eat it, you get a bit of a blue tongue. And it's not because of the blue mauve flower, but because of the fruit. This plant is an understory rainforest fringe dwelling plant. So it loves to grow under the canopy of a tree and normally likes a semi-moist, very fertile soil. But it is incredibly tough and it is used in a lot of revegetation projects. But it does add a beautiful interest to the garden, and it is related to the Tipicina group, which is why it looks so familiar in terms of its flower features. This is definitely one plant to consider adding to your garden if you want a native plant and you want a Tipicina, but this is our native alternative. It's easy to look after. You can prune it after the flowering period, and giving it some fertilizer will definitely help it grow a lot better. This is a small clump, a mass planting of just a few plants, and it looks pretty good when mass planted because you get these spot mauve flowers over the entire bush. In this situation, it's got a lot of light under the canopy of the tree, but it's got a lot of indirect exposure to the sky itself, and that is providing sufficient sunlight intensity for the leaves to make it fairly dense and to produce a lot of flowers. As I mentioned, pruning after flowering will encourage branching and will improve the flowers next season. But this plant, right now in the middle of winter, it's flowering really well, and it will flower throughout spring and into early summer as well. Give it good fertile soil, good mulch, and irrigation during dry periods, and you will definitely be rewarded with a beautiful native flowering plant. That's your garden tip for today with Paul Plant Horticulture. If you like these garden tips, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.